How to delete invite message on Instagram or unsend message. Open the Instagram app. In order to unsend or delete message, first you have to send message. To send message, go to search bar and search for anything you want to send message. Click on message. Now write message here. It will send like an invite. You can only send one message in invite. To delete or unsend message, just click on message and see the options. Click on delete for you. Again, click on delete for you. The message is delete for you, and also it is unsend for the person you sent a message. That is how you can delete invite message on Instagram. That's all from today. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload.